Hi, I'm Renee from Farberware, and I'm coming to you from our Neat Nest factory in Fairfield, California. I have Aaron here, who runs the factory and the team here. Thanks for letting us be here.
Absolutely, Renee. Glad you could join us.
No problem. Why don't you tell us a little bit about what we have here in front of us?
Right, so I'm going to walk you through the pan making process. We start with a flat aluminum disc. The disc has a colorful silicon polyester on the exterior and a PFOA-free non-stick interior. The discs are put into the press, where they go through the forming process using a forming die. The forming die gives us the pan body, whatever we're trying to make that day. In this case, it's a nice 8-inch skillet. The pan body moves on into the trimming process, where we add these rings, clean it up, and then clean up the edges so it's safe for use. Once all the trimming is done, we move on to the riveting process, where we attach the handle with 2 aluminum rivets, making sure that the handles are nice and secure. Once that's done, and all the pans are made, we nest them, pack them, and ship them out the door.
Excellent. Thanks again for letting us be here.
Absolutely.